Debanked: The Rising Threat to Financial Freedom. Introduction. Imagine receiving this letter from your bank. We are writing to inform you that we cannot continue serving you. As a result of this decision, your account will be closed within 14 days from the date of this letter. Any remaining account balances will be sent by check to the address we have on file. This scenario is becoming more common as debanking emerges as a significant and alarming trend. The mechanism of debanking. Debanking occurs when financial institutions abruptly terminate their relationship with clients, often without explanation, leaving individuals or organizations unable to conduct basic financial transactions. This practice is increasingly seen as a tool by the ruling elite to enforce ideological conformity. Reasons for debanking: speaking out against mainstream narratives, whether it's questioning pharmaceutical practices, climate change policies, electoral integrity, or international conflicts, can make one a target. High-profile cases include doctors criticizing public health policies or politicians opposing globalist agendas. The silent majority. While high-profile cases make headlines, thousands of ordinary citizens face similar fates in silence, losing their ability to engage in economic activities due to their political or personal beliefs. Double standards in banking. Notably, while dissenters are penalized, those who propagate widely discredited narratives or engage in activities with severe ethical implications often retain their banking privileges. Historical examples. Banks did not close accounts of those involved in fabricating reasons for wars or spreading misinformation about significant political events. Even figures like Jeffrey Epstein maintained banking services despite known misconduct. The path to totalitarianism. Debanking represents a step towards a more controlled, authoritarian society where financial access is contingent on adherence to state-approved narratives. Future implications. Beyond ideological conformity, future debanking could extend to monitoring and controlling personal consumption habits under the guise of environmental or social governance metrics. Current practices. Banks like Bank of America have been known to share sensitive transaction data with government entities, hinting at the surveillance potential within the banking sector. The illusion of free market banking. The argument that banks are private entities exercising their discretion misses a crucial point. Government control over money. Modern banking systems are far from free markets. Money, primarily fiat currency, is controlled by central banks like the Federal Reserve, which monopolizes credit and currency issuance, akin to the Marxist ideal of centralized state control over money. Fractional reserve banking. Banks operate on a system where they lend out more money than they hold in reserves, a practice that would be considered fraudulent in any other industry, but is legally sanctioned, creating an inherent instability and dependency on government intervention. Bailouts and too big to fail. The existence of government bailouts and the notion of banks being too big to fail are clear indicators of a market not driven by free market principles, but by state support and control. The path forward. Ideal solution: a return to a free market for money where gold or other non-inflationary assets could serve as currency, and banking reverts to its role as a secure storage of value rather than a creator of credit. Practical steps. In the current system, individuals must prepare for the possibility of losing banking access by diversifying their financial strategies, possibly exploring decentralized finance or alternative banking solutions outside traditional systems. Conclusion: debanking is not just an isolated incident, but a symptom of deeper systemic issues where financial freedom is increasingly at risk. As we move closer to a society where one's financial existence can be revoked at the whim of those in power, It's imperative to understand these dynamics and prepare accordingly. The weaponization of banking is a forewarning of potential broader control mechanisms over personal freedoms, signaling the urgent need for vigilance and proactive financial planning. Liked Debanked? Check out our previous special on Debt, the Silent Assassin of Empires, on our Rumble and YouTube channels. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like the video. Check out these other From the Other Side specials.